Hello Intrend viewers, today's market pulse for 21st July 2026 is right here. In positive news, Paytm Q1 results, net profit jumps 79%, revenue up 28%, board opts not to proceed with bonus shares. This could impact 197. In positive news, Bluestone Jewelry shares to be in focus on Tuesday as company turns profitable in Q1, revenue jumps 49%. This could impact Bluestone. In positive news, breakout stocks to buy or sell, Sumit Bagadia recommends 5 shares to buy today, 21st July 2026. This could impact JSW Energy, Bajaj, Steel Strips, Saregama, and Gabriel. In positive news, oil rises about 1% as Trump says Iran will pay for death of US service members. This could impact Reliance, ONGC, IOC, BPCL, and HPCL. In positive news, Asian stocks today, Nikkei to 25, Kospi rise up to 2% as crude oil prices fall, chip stocks rebound. This could impact Reliance, ONGC, TCS, Infy, and HDFC Bank. In a concerning development, from Gift Nifty, Iran war, oil prices to gold rates, 8 key things that changed for Indian stock market overnight. This could impact HDFC Bank, Reliance, Infy, TCS, and SBIN. In a concerning development, crude oil prices retreat from one-month high amid Iran war tensions, grained at $88 per barrel. This could impact Reliance, ONGC, IOC, HPCL, and BPCL. In market news, Q1 results 2026, Bajaj Auto to Adani Energy among companies to declare Q1 results today, full list here. This could impact Bajaj Auto, Adani, Twi Motor, Bandhan Bank, and Indotel. In market news, stocks to watch, Bajaj Auto, Adani Energy, Paytm among shares in focus today, check list here. This could impact Bajaj Auto, Adani, and 197. In positive news, Exide Industries, can its lithium-ion bed drive returns over the next 3 years? This could impact Exide. Based on today's market analysis, the overall sentiment is bullish, with a confidence level of 79%. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned to Intrend.